Hey guys, what is up? My name is Throttle P and I usually talk about stuff related to motorcycles. And for this episode, nandito tayo ngayon sa Honda Safety Driving Center para i-test ride itong all-new Honda Beat 2023. So ano nga bang masasabi ko dito sa ride na to? First of all, it's very newbie friendly. Perfect to para sa mga nag-aaral magmotor. And aside from that, perfect rin to para sa mga experienced riders natin. Now, what's cool about this bike is sobrang efficient niya, especially kung gagamitin mo to pang business. Not only that, it has the style, pero yung functionality niya is meron and pwede nyong gawin para sa everyday business needs nyo. The bike is very agile, and then impressed rin ako sa combi brake system na bigay na itong bike na to. Makapit talaga. This is really good, and aside from that, pasok na pasok rin sa budget natin. So, iniimbitahan ko kayo i-try itong Honda Beat 2023 at iniimbitahan ko rin kayong mag-test ride dito sa Honda Safety Driving Center. Shout out, peace out, I'll see you on the next upload. Thank you very much. Honda, number 1!